Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to WhiteEagleVideos. As you can see this morning, I'm boondocking in front of Cracker Barrel. And it looks like a lot of places are closed on Christmas Day. So no breakfast for me. Checking out the parking lot. Not much happening. The trip's been a treat, as long as I don't think about all the traffic and the crazy drivers. It's been a pretty good trip so far. No worries, no problems. Looking forward to today getting on into Livingston, Texas, where I'll be spending the night checking out my mail at the mail forwarding service, and also getting Texas tags and Texas license in the next couple of days. Hope you'll continue to follow along and enjoy the journey. Well, at least Cracker Barrel was nice enough to leave the music on for us. I've been playing Christmas songs this morning as I've been walking around, enjoying the nice fresh air. 38 degrees. It got a little bit cool last night, but my little Mr. Buddy heater kept me kind of toasty this morning. And that's Interstate 12 out there with the traffic going by. I figured it'd be kind of slow today with being Christmas Day. Everybody would be where they're supposed to be. It looks like we still got quite a few travelers like myself this morning. And it's about time to get back on the road. You guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. As some of you may know, traveling across the country on the interstates can be a little boring, but some of these extremely high bridges crossing the rivers and ship channels can get your adrenaline pumping, especially when you've got some crazy drivers passing you and switching lanes really quickly in front of you. That's one reason I prefer traveling the back roads. Also, it has much better scenery as you're traveling, getting a chance to go through some of the small towns, seeing some of the older buildings, a lot more of nature. I've just started across the Memorial Bridge on I-10, going across the swamps of Louisiana, and as anyone's ever traveled this way, they know this can be a long, boring highway. But if you get a chance to look on either side, there's water all around and lots of boats fishing and lots of birds and alligators in the area. It's interesting to stop at some of the rest areas and stretch your legs and check out the natural areas of the swamps of Louisiana. Hi folks, I'm taking a short rest break here going through Louisiana. As you can hear the traffic going by, there's a huge long memorial bridge going across the Louisiana swamps, and this is just a little piece of land that they set up a rest area on, boat ramp. They do have restrooms and vending machines. A lot of trucks coming by and stopping in. Just taking a short little rest break on a long highway. Near Lake Charles, Louisiana, I stopped at this pilot station to fill up and noticed something that I had not seen before. They have an Arby's restaurant inside the building, but also in the back of the building they have a casino. I guess that's something to take a break from the long road trips for the truckers and travelers, but it's something unusual for me that I've never seen on the East Coast. I guess it's a welcome distraction to a lot of travelers. I got permission from the lady operating the casino to videotape inside, so I'll take you in on a tour of this small casino here at the Pilot Truck Stop gas station. I'm amazed at the technology in some of these new machines, some of the new slot and poker machines, and some of the graphics that they have on them. I can see why it can be enticing for some people to play some of the games, but I think I would prefer some of the older machines where they still have the handle where you can pull and hear it make all the strange noises, and you get a workout all at the same time. That would give me a little better satisfaction, I think. My first introduction to slot machines was during a 3-week special assignment while I was in the Air Force. In 1973, I got a chance to go to Nellis Air Force Base, and during the time off, check out downtown Las Vegas and some of the casinos. That was an interesting experience for a young guy from the eastern part of North Carolina. Traveling on now across Louisiana and into Texas. As we cross the bridge, just on the other side is the Texas border and the Texas Welcome Center. I stopped there to take a short break and to check out the maps, looking to see how far it was across Texas. And to my surprise, well over 800 miles. So it looks like it's still going to be a long journey to the Pacific coast. I hope you'll continue to follow along and enjoy the journey. Have a great day.